of Letran. Habakon rising and scoring on that crisp. Gusto malun eh, no?
Yes. Hindi siya ganun kalaki ha.
Correct. Pero yung
Pero
elevation niya.
yes.
Oh, 1-2. Hey! Kinapos. Yung regalo ni Erin Navarro.
Grabe si Silva. Kanina pa walang lumalapag na bola sa kanya. Yung mga drop ball na yan. Kahit ang layo na ng pinanggalingan niya.
Gia Makilang.
Sabi oh. Very hard kill the ball pag
Yes.
nasa kabila itong si Lara May.
Yeah.
Angled hit again. Habakon. Showing us the variations.
Kanina niya pati...
Pangalawang angle hit na yun.
Yes.
Here's the setup. Judel off the block for Nitura.
That's a point for the
So
Letran
she
Lady
stops
Knights.
the bleeding here. In middle blocker for the Lady Knights this year. Habakon! From the middle this time.
Wow. Grabe yung elevation niya. Kitang-kita ko yung... Parang may spring.
Oh, oh my
Angel
goodness.
And yung bilis ng palo. Doon pa lang sa... Doon sa wrist.
First set. Grabe.
7
Picking up.
points agad.
Oh. Not slowing down anytime soon is Angel Habakon. Here's Kagalawan. Yes! And again,
That is inside.
late spikers with a 3-point advantage. Silva. Estrelier with a dump.
Nat
Good decision by
Estrella.
Nat.
Kailangan bantayan itong San Beda yung mga attack na gano'n ni Estrelier. Kasi
Yan
nakakadalawang
Martin
puntos siya
to
dyan.
serve.
This
Nung kalaban niya. That's why naka 36 points siya
yeah.
last game.
bilang malakas, mautak din. Oh, Gia Makilang with a
Gia
counter hit.
Makilang.
So, she has a... Oh. Kagalawan, Nitura. Yan po ang nagpapakitang gilas sa ating opening set. That's a sharp send over by Habakon. And here she is again. Again! With the
Angel
off-speed
Habakon.
angled hit.
Ang hirap na ng angle na yon. Kahit kahit sinong mga
Timeout.
defense
San Juan de Letran.
ang magkukuha niya, mahihirapan.
Wow. Tignan natin si Coach O. Lea Tapang started the last match but only scored 2 points. Kagalawan! Punches it through.
And with a stare down.
Wow. We are seeing some swag from our players. How about the landing and then the lingering look. 8 points for Gia Makilang and we're only on set number 1. Here's a chance ball. Chance para sa Letran. Umabante. Up speed. And Makilang gives them the lead.
Ginagamit na niya yung mga beach volley
Yeah.
attack niya.
San Beda University.
And
Score
alam din niya na
26-27
binabantayan na ng
in
San
favor
Beda
of Letran.
yung mga power.
Here's De La Cruz. A sharp serve. Makilang. Pumalik. Back to Gia. Yes!
Gia
A
Makilang.
sharp cross-court kill.
Kanina pa siya nakakakuha ng puntos sa cross-court area.
Habakon. Time for her to answer. Angel kept alive. A chance for the white shirts. Angel again. Outside.
Attack
And
goes out.
Letran takes the opening set. The Lady Knights are able to grind this one out. Yeah, bounce off the net. Outside. 29-27, Letran takes set number 1.
So-
Bihirap. I think nakakaisa pa lang tayo.
Oo.
Kanina si Angela Desma pa
Yes.
lang. Oh, Sophie.
Off the block.
Diniskartehan yan ng San Beda yung confidence push na yan. Na itong Letran, simula first game pa nila nahanap. Abraham with a cross-court hit. Here in set 2. Abraham had to adjust. Nat over to Tapang. Popped up by Habakon. Here comes Kagalawan. Buhay pa. Netura from behind. Kagalawan again. Nandun si Makilang. 1-2 play
Nat
for
Estrella.
Estrelier.
Kailangan bantayan itong San Beda. Yun yung sabi ko sa'yo kanina na pag nasa harap si Estrelier, kailangan bantayan ng blockers
It's
and
now 11,
also the
17.
defense.
Yeah.
Nitong San Beda kasi nga especially sa isa't isa.
Di sila nararaga.
Yes.
Habakon catching the line.
Angel Habakon.
Angel is also a beach volleyball player. Uy, over-received rather. Back to Angel. Down the line this time.
Down the line.
Yun yung
Angel
variations na
Habakon.
sinasabi ko sa'yo kanina, Martin, na after cross, down naman. Kaya din nahihirapan yung blockers nitong Letran. Paganahin din niya yung mga middle attackers niya.
Meron siyang viable option dyan.
Yes.
Itong si Navarro.
Oh!
Habakon exploding for that point. 16 now.
Wow!
Wow.
The wrist reaction. Martin, grabe.
Kumpako yun. Ah.
Kat Molina to serve.
And you can tell it from her.
Ha? Cross court.
Yeah.
So,
Iniwas niya.
so nakita niyang open na open yung line.
There's Letran. Netura! Wow!
Juliel Nitura.
Jodel.
Ayan, nakikita ko na yung mga stare down ni Netura.
There you go. Isa
Stepping
lang
up
ang
to serve.
bantay.
It's Royce de la Cruz.
Open yung
Two teams. Rival school sa NCAA. Kagalawan. Kept alive by Makilang. It's sent over. But it's a chance ball. Combination. Abraham puts it down.
Wow, mas pinapagana ni Molina ngayon yung mga combination play nila. Kasi nasa harapan din itong si...
Can Letran fight back here? Habakon. Silva was right behind. Tapang. Blocked. Here's Sophie. Kagalawan puts it through.
Sophie Kagalawan.
And San Beda equalizes the match. Sophie Kagalawan with the final say here in set 2, powering that one through the blockers.
At the second set.
Tabladayo,
With the score,
1 set apiece.
25-20.
When we return, a pivotal set number 3. 18 points now for Habakon. Good sharp serve. Oh, Angela Desma.
Miguel Ledesma.
Ito ng team niya. Yung mga gantong tough matches.
Yes.
Kasi it's part of their growth. Again, this is
Yes.
only his first year
Yes.
in the NCAA. So, maganda na experience nila ito ngayon
Erin
para
Navarro.
mag-grow sila as a team.
Yes, and mas marami pa silang matututunan
Yeah.
sa mga may experience nilang ganitong klaseng
10
laban.
serving eight.
Na talagang, kumbaga dito masusubukan kung gaano katibay and kasolid yung team ng San Beda.
Good serve again. Habakon from the middle. This time it's saved. Netura. Pyong. Here's the pass for Abraham. Off speed will not work. Yen Martin
Off the
pushes
mark,
it through.
Yen Martin.
Yan na, nagising na dito sa ating set 3 si Martin.
Still at the
Siya na
serving
ngayon
net. It's
yung
Angel Ledesma.
mas binibigyan ng kumpiyansa
Oh, yeah.
nito ni Estrelier.
This is a great follow-up performance for Kagalawan. 13 points already. Makilang. Pumalik sa side ng Letran. Silva sends it across. Sophie had to adjust. Martin was right there. Makilang will rise. Kept alive by Abraham. Kagalawan. Silva with a dig. 1-2 for Estrelier. Long rally here. Lefty push. It's still alive. Makilang from the other side. Nasa likod si Habakon. Kagalawan. Silva was there for defense. Rally continues. Drop ball. And
Gia
Gia
Makilang.
Makilang ends it.
Sayang, akala ko mabubuhay pa. Pero long rally.
Oh man,
Wow.
such an exhilarating rally right there. One. Tagalawan starts it up. Nat. Gia is denied. Balik kay Makilang. Now a chance for the Lady Red Spikers. It's Habacon's turn. And she will score.
Angel Habakon.
Unstoppable, Angel,
Substitution
Habakon.
for the Lady Red Spikers.
for the San Beda Lady Red Spikers.
Number 14, Taya Ng.
22 puntos para kay Angel Habacon. 12 excellent receptions, a double-double, and we're only in set 3. May isang set pa tayo mamaya.
Yan
At
yung
least.
Yan yung sinasabi nilang nagwawalis ka
Yun, correct.
sa loob ng court.
Nililinis yung court, Angel Habacon! This is getting ridiculous.
Ang daming anggulo ng palo
Oh my goodness.
ni Angel Habacon.
Timeout.
23 points now for Angel.
Score 19-18.
Coach Og, mahanap kaya ng letra ng right motivation. Angel, oh!
Angel Habakon.
24 points.
Wow, hindi pa bumabagsak yung bola sa floor. Alam niyo lang, kanya na yung puntos na yan. Wow.
Too good.
Gia Makilang
Very
to
crucial.
serve.
This could open the door for Letran. Flores with a good pass. Angel! Again!
Angel Habakon.
25 now for Angel.
They really need to get this set.
Daisy Melendres is in the fold. Habacon. Bumalik ang bola sa San Beda. Angel again. Covered by Estrelier. Martin with a lefty push. Easy up. Angel sets it up for Abraham. Dun si Melendres. Martin. Oh, what a save. It's still alive. Flores sends it across. Martin. Return.
Erin Navarro.
It's a kill block for the Lady Red Spikers.
Wow. Wild. Lahat ng tao dito sa loob ng San Juan Arena nag-e-enjoy.
Yeah. What a save here. That was Maxine Tayag, the veteran, keeping the ball alive, and then Sanbet. Erin Navarro. Good pass. Estrelier to Martin. A chance for San Beda. Kagalawan. Andun si Silva. Estrelier. Kept alive. Angel sends it over. Martin. Sa likod si Navarro. Kagalawan. Yes!
Point for the Lady Red Spikers.
The Lady Red Spikers win set 3. What a finish.
Again, another long hit galing kay Kagalawan.
And now, San Beda pulls ahead 2-1. Magbabalik po kami for set 4. Abraham. Silva with a dig. De La Cruz. Pinuhay. Chance para sa Letran. Back set. Judel. That one was deflected.
Judiel Nitura.
But she scores again. 2-all. Ito hinihintay natin mula sa
It's now 2,
Letran.
serving all.
She's been getting... Ang ganda rin ang serve dito ni Gia. Abraham. Silva was there for coverage. Martin puts
Yan
it through.
Martin.
And Letran is rolling. To good pass. And Ledesma scores on the quick.
Again, Ledesma.
This is great playmaking from Nat Estrelier.
Now up for the serve. It's Judiel
Alternating
Nitura.
her middles. And she continues to serve well. De La Cruz popped up. Kept alive by Silva. Martin. Doon si Kasugod. Over to Tayag. Silva was there. Martin will try. Popped up again. Transfer to. Here comes Letran. Unatura. Return to sender. 8-0.
Napensahan nga nitong San Beda, yung frustration sa mga attackers nitong Letran,
Yeah.
nandyan na.
Nakaka-apekto na. O, ito pa. Tayag! 9-0 run.
Nandun talaga.
How about the serving of Kasugod? Oh, free ball. Espina. Abraham. Bumalik. It's another run, Letran.
That's a net
10.
down to the side of the Lady Knights.
0
Point goes
run.
to the Lady Red Spikers.
Ano katibay si Makilang kanina sa service line. Ganon katibay din si Kasugod.
You see the run. Tayag. Nandun si Silva. Estrelier. Tapang. Finally.
Off the block.
Stops the
Lea
bleeding for
Tapang.
Letran.
Gandang palet para kay Coach Oliver.
Yeah.
Naputol niya yung
On deck
momentum.
to serve.
Tran, ganun kalaki yung effect ng ginawa ng second stringer ng San Beda, Lady Red Spikers.
Tapang. Oh, dug up. Oh, 1-2. Okay. Judel with a solid serve.
It's an ace for Judiel
Service
Nitura.
ace for Nitura. Set point. Letran Lady
It's
Knights.
Judiel Nitura now
What a
serving at
serve.
set point.
Depensa ng San Beda.
Oh, kinuha. Tapang again. Deflected. Castillo. Silva was there. Tapang with the push. Easy up. They go back to China. Nandun si Silva. Tapang again with the drop. Nandun pa rin si Abraham. Back to Castillo. Too strong.
Attack goes
No
out.
check. And we
Ladies
will
and gentlemen,
go.
we are going to
to
set
a
number
fifth set.
5.
Letran avoids the collapse. Woo!
Wow!
Fifth set
Woo!
coming right up. Dito lang sa GTV. Angel Ledesma will begin. Tagalawan, checked. Abacon with a two-handed push. Saved. Tapang with the off-speed. Molina tips it over. Gia brings it to Lea. Tapang finds a spot. And she
Lea
has
Tapang.
been the go-to player of Letran. Nakita mo, tumayo na si Commissioner
Oo.
Milton Calo. Kumakausap yung mga opisyalis natin. Sophie. Ball went up high. Oh! Oh! Buhay pa! Quick! Pasa ni Angel. 1-2. Nandun si Gia. Tapa! Oh! The
Lea
block!
Tapang.
It is the Lea Tapang show for Letran.
Lahat ng puntos sa kanya nanggaling.
Timeout. San Beda University. Score
San
9 to
Beda
4.
calls for time.
8-15.
18 excellent sets today for Nat. Oh!
That's
With
an
the
ace
help of the
for
net.
Estrella.
Estrelier. With a crucial
Substitution for the Lady Red
ace.
Spikers. Number 2 out. Number 3 is
Kailangan
Pina
ng mas maging aggressive.
11. Serving.
Right now,
Yes, kung pwedeng wala silang ibabagsak na bola.
Espina is back in it. De La Cruz couldn't do it. Espina. Teka lang. Pumapalo na si Molina. So she's back in her spiker spot. Habacon is denied. One more time for Angel. Off speed this time. Nandun si Tapang. Judel! Is
James De La
denied.
Cruz.
Wow! Hindi yan nadala sa atake pero sa blocking.
It's Jake
That
De La
was
Cruz.
Angel
Serving.
with a kill block. If that's hers,
Para sa San Beda.
grabe yung switcheroo dito ni Coach Ed.
Kumbaga, ang daming baraha.
Baraha, yeah. May mga tinatago pa. Habakon! Cross-court kill for Angel.
Angel Habakon.
29. First. Molina with a solid serve. Here's Makilang.
Gia Makilang.
Gia gives them a crucial point.
Alam na ni Estrelier kung saan niya dapat iset yung bola kapag mga ganun
Stepping up to
crucial.
serve. It's
My God. Okay. After her 36-point outburst, she's close to a 30-point performance. But Gia Makilang
attacks and scores.
will score again for Letran. Wala, correct. Navarro!
Service goes out.
Wow, what a heartbreaking ending for San Beda. And a huge win for Letran. This is the final score. Letran wins it in 5. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtutok sa NCAA Season 99.